model, 2013 Ford Ranger Xlt 4x4 2.2 Tdci pickup needs transit engine repair. No Vat. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, 110998. MOT, the 14th of December 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2150 PS Tdci. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a misfire. Engine shaking, misfiring and back pressurizing a lot. Engine is low in compression, needs repair or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear area is indecent, average condition